And this is BB Gun Wars. See that clay bird right there? Sucks to be if you miss. So if you miss, you have a choice. You shot by that BB gun, not from point blank range. BB gun. By this BB gun, or hit in the back with a bat. Gotta take it away. I'll be the first to shoot.
Yeah. Where can you get it?
That's gonna take you out here.
Okay.
You missed! Ah!
Oh, jeez.
Bat.
Bat. Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Ah!
We gotta get this on tape. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Okay, Brennan's turn.
Look, those are big. I'm ready. I'm ready. You dead. You can't shrivel up.
Oh, come on, wimp. Oh, you guys are never gonna get this one. Oh, you guys are dead after this. Okay, Charlie's turn. Beautiful concentration, but he misses. Charlie's doing the gun. Sucks to be him. Oh God, that was a BB gun. Is he crying?